Hey there, hello everyone. So today we are going to be talking about 5 different types of plants. Actually, 5 summer plants that you can grow at your home this summer, and they are indeed very hardy plants and also very beautiful. So we'll be talking about actually 5 top plants. So number 1 on my list is the bougainvillea plant. As you can see the picture, this plant bears pink flowers and white flowers as well, and it is also available in a variety of flowers. So right now I'm talking about the wild variety. If you want to grow the wild variety, it just grows, believe me, it just grows tremendously. Number 2 on my list, hibiscus plant. So now I am talking about the wild variety of hibiscus, which is generally red in color. But if you can take care of the plant, you can also grow the hybrid varieties, which are available in a certain variety of colors. For example, the yellow one, pink one, orange one, or there are different n number of varieties of hibiscus available here. Number 3 on my list, actually number 3 and 4, both are the wine plants, which grows like tremendously high. They go up to different heights, certain heights. You can make arcs from them. You can make different kind of designs from them, any kind of topiaries from them. So number 3 on my list is the Madhumalti vine, also known as the Rangoon creeper. It actually bears only a single kind of flowers, which are generally red in color, or you can say white in color. But as you grow the flower, or as you grow the plant, the flower color turns into white. The flower actually blooms white, but eventually with time the color changes into pink and then red. So as the vine grows, the Madhumalti vine grows, you will see 3 different kind of flowers on the vine, which looks tremendously beautiful. Number 4 on my list is the Aprajita bale. It is also a vine type of plant, Aprajita plant, and the flower appears like it resembles the female organ. And the plant is like it bears white flowers, blue flowers, and as always I say the hybrid varieties are available in different varieties of colors. So you can grow anyone if you can take care of the plant. Number 5 on my list is the most hardy from all these, the Sansevieria plant. As you can see behind, it's growing. Yeah, here. So like before, I've just bought only a single leaf cutting of this plant, and I've just planted it in the soil, and now you can see there is a huge variety of Sansevierias that I'm having right now. So number 5 is the Sansevieria plant, also known as snake plant or the mother-in-law's tongue. If you want to take more update regarding these plants, do let me know in the comment section below. Thank you.